I'm cutting the top off of a 6-inch chocolate cake layer, and then I'm cutting each layer in half. I'm putting my 6-inch cake board on the turntable and then adding a little bit of frosting to keep the cake in place. I just used a box mix, but you can make it from scratch if you want. I make my frosting layers about half the thickness of the cake layer. This layer of frosting will be my crumb coat. Once you have this thin layer of frosting on your cake, you can put that into the refrigerator to firm up. Now I'm ready to put the final layer of frosting on the cake. To get a sharp edge, I'm pushing the frosting up so that it comes over the top edge, and then I'll use the spatula to trim the excess. I'm not too worried about the cake being perfectly smooth because I'm covering it up with the lace. Now I'll make the SugarVeil edible lace. I'm using extra dark chocolate, and the instructions to make it are on the back of the package. I just let it sit overnight to dry. So I'm just loosening the edges first and then using my bowl scraper to hold it down while I peel the mat away. And there was one little bit at the end that got stuck, but overall I think it looks really nice. I'm trimming the ends, and then I will cut the whole thing in half lengthwise. Now I'm wrapping the lace around the cake. This was a little difficult for me because I was watching what I was doing in the tiny monitor of my camera, so it was kind of hard to see. And I'm trimming off the excess. I always get my fingers stuck at this point, but I'm going to be putting a border on it, so it's okay if it gets a little bit dented. I'm piping a border along the bottom with chocolate buttercream and a decorating tip 10. Put the cake back into the fridge to let this buttercream firm up before you paint it. I'm using Sweet Sticks Glamorous Gold mixed with paint powder activator. You could also use vodka, grain alcohol, or any flavor extract to make this paint. Thanks for watching. Bye!